Hello everyone, good morning to all. Today we will be discussing about 25th Amendment of the US Constitution on the background of US Capitol issue. Recently there was a lot of problem happening in US Capitol due to the Trump supporters making a lot of fuss in the US Capitol. Okay, so today we will be discussing about what is this 25th Amendment of the US Constitution. Okay, so this is speaking about how the Vice President is replacing the President of America in case of some emergencies. Okay, so we have four emergencies listed in which Vice President of America will be replacing the President of America. Okay, first let us see what are the four conditions. One is the death of the President. Okay, in case of death of the President, Vice President will be replacing. Second one is that removal of the President. And third one is resignation of the President. And fourth one is that disability of the President, in which President is unable to fulfill the duties of office. Okay, so these are the four conditions in which Vice President of America will be replacing or succeeding the President of America. Okay, so these are death, removal, resignation or disability. Okay, so these are the four conditions in which Vice President will be replacing President of America. And in this amendment there are four sections. Okay, the first section is saying that in case of death of the President, the Vice President will be replacing the President of America. And in the second section it is saying that what will be the procedure to be followed in case of Vice President office is also vacant. Okay, so in the second section it is saying that if the Vice President office is vacant, then what should be the procedure to be followed. Okay, and in case of third section, it is saying that the disability of the President, what should be the procedure followed. Okay, so in that case there is again two conditions. In case of disability, one condition is that if President is able to declare that he is incompetent to do the activities or the duties of the President office. Okay, so first one is that he is able to declare that I am incompetent. Okay, and second case is that the President is unable to declare his incompetency. Okay, so in second case the President will not be, or President will be in a state that he will not be able to say that I am incompetent to do the activities of the office. So in that case also Vice President will be assuming the office of the President. Okay, so first case is that President will be able to declare that he is incompetent, and second case is that the President will not be able to say that he is incompetent. Okay, so in the first case this is coming under section 3rd. Okay, so in the third section, which is dealing with the case in which the President is able to declare that he is incompetent. Okay, and in the fourth section it deals that if the President is unable to declare that he is incompetent. Okay, so in that case what will happen is that Vice President as well as the Cabinet will be deciding together what should be done next. Okay, so this is what is going on at present. Okay, so at present the people are asking to the Vice President of America that he should invoke the 25th Amendment of the Constitution, that is section 4. That is, if the President is unable to declare that he is incompetent. That is regarding the fourth section, right? Okay, so they are asking that you should, or the current Vice President should invoke the fourth section of the 25th Amendment of the Constitution. Then the Vice President should assume the office of the President. That is what is the demand of the people of, or the public of America at present. Okay, and the important point is that the fourth section has never been declared so far or never been invoked so far. So that is the important point. The fourth section of the 25th Amendment of the US Constitution has never been invoked, whereas the first one, that is the death of the President, has invoked many times, because in 1965 US President John F. Kennedy assassinated. So in that case they have invoked first section of the 25th Amendment of the US Constitution. Okay, but the fourth section has never been invoked, and the public at present is demanding for the invocation of the fourth section of 25th Amendment of the Constitution, so that the Vice President will be replacing the current President to resolve the issues of America which is going on at present. Okay, so that is what is all about the 25th Amendment of the US Constitution. Hope you all understood about this topic. Thank you.